Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday morning, November 1st, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, first chart of corn here we're going to put in front of you. Here we are. I wish I knew what markets we're going to do. I wouldn't be talking to anybody. I've always been taught, I've been doing this all my life, that once harvest is 50% over, it's time to be bullish. So that's where we're at here with corn. About 50% of the corn harvest to go here. We've got our first snowstorm, snow flurries here in northern Illinois, so I don't think that's going to help the yields. And we'll kind of see where we go here. I think next Friday's report can be a bullish report. That's what happened in 1993. The USDA finally came out with accurate yields on corn and soybeans, and we rallied sharply. So the bears in the corn market, managed funds are short. They're short because of poor export demand, and that's true. We need exports of our corn to pick up. The bulls is fostered by a strong basis here. Ethanol plants are raising their bids for corn. They need our corn, so that's really, really strong. Cash markets, strong basis like this, I think trumps all others, and this is a very strong point for our corn market here, so we'll keep talking about that. Okay, the soybean market. Next chart of soybeans seems to have a little more upward tilt than the corn market here, and we're getting leadership from soybeans. We're supposed to get leadership from soybeans. So I just got off the phone with some clients in Brazil. It has been raining there, so you need some adversity in South American weather, and we started out dry there. Now there seems to be rains, so we'll see about all of that. Argentina, they were dry. Now they're getting some rains. Argentina's got new leadership, new presidents over there. They're very corrupt in South America. If I was a business country and business decisions, I wouldn't be buying all my grains from South America the way their politics are. So certainly the China-USA trade talks, Commerce Secretary this morning, Wilbur Ross, coming out and saying everything's on track here. So you kind of get mixed reviews from day to day on this. It'd be nice to put this behind, or start to put this behind us and move forward here. USMCA trade agreements with Mexico and Canada. Shortly we're going to put politics aside, and that's going to be passed. And then the trade agreement with Japan is going to be very good for U.S. agriculture competitiveness. So this is going to be good here going forward. So trade, exports are key here. Demand is key, and we just got to see it picking up here. And again, the way the weather looks, I don't know that this is going to help yields on soybean and corn, so I would look for higher prices. Soybeans are up as we speak, and corn is unchanged here. Look for a higher close here today, and we'll go into the weekend. And next Friday's report can really be a milestone, as with the U.S.-China trade tariff agreements. And lastly, daylight savings times end, so Sunday morning, we all roll back our clocks 1 hour time. Let's all have an excellent weekend.